So I'm going to show you guys my little collection of cloud pictures and a few nature photos. And then I'm going to show you how I edit it to put on Redbubble. So I chose this cloud picture from being on a plane last July going to New Orleans. So I go to the tool. A lot of things, sometimes I just let it auto change. And then I go through each of these and change the brightness, the saturation, contrast, shadows, and more until I get the picture kind of to look like what I see. I want it to be more vibrant, so it shows up even more vibrant on the photos and items, like the mugs and the leggings. The more vibrant the photo is, the better quality it will be, especially on all of the all over prints. And I also wanted to show you guys a little before and after. So this is before and this is after. So before, after. Guys, so it is Cinquanta, and today I am here to show you guys a video of how I upload my nature pictures on my Redbubble. The clip before this basically shows you how I edited my photo. I've been obsessed with clouds ever since I was a little girl, painted my room in clouds in high school. So I really love just taking pictures of different clouds, storm clouds, wherever I can get a good photo. So I named this account Crypto Cloud. I will never share this on another platform. I'm only sharing it with my Patreons. If you want to know how to actually set up a Redbubble account, I will put the videos to the YouTube there. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on add new work. And Redbubble is really good for like artists. Anything artistic, pictures you take that can be turned into like just beautiful art is really good on Patreon. I hope this little black thing don't show up. That's been my issue with uploading stuff on Patreon. Not Patreon, on Redbubble. So we'll see. All right, so here is my cloud photo, the one that I edited, and I am going to name this Clouds on a Plane. Awesome. Timer went off. Clouds on a plane. So I'm going to put in things like airplane, clouds, clouds on a plane, clouds in the air, elevation, altitude, clouds, blue clouds, sunny clouds, space, earth, fluffy clouds, God clouds, cloudy clouds. So, and in my description, I'm going to put breathtaking photo of clouds while on a plane to New Orleans. Okay, so the product pictures are here, and this is kind of what they look like. And I normally go through all of them and, size things up and make sure they look good on the actual t-shirt. Sometimes I bring this in because I don't like when like the pictures go all the way to the edges, but you see that, how that looks better. But these shirts, like legit, aren't really your money maker. So again, I'm not going to be too strict on these because these are not even where you basically make your money from. Okay, so yeah, you make some money with these things, but this is not like the bread and butter here. So that looks fine. And I try to enable just about everything. So when it's like this, you see the graphic shirt, how the design does not come all the way down. what I normally do is I do a repeat here, and then I get it to where the design is in the middle. I bring it down where it's like a peak of both. Okay, so then you can see that. So it's like this little, a little design. That one looks fine. And I'll do the same with this A-line dress, and I'll make sure it's um, enabled. So this one is a little bit different because it looks like it has a little peak on both sides. So I would do it, similar to that. But it's mainly just, the corners. So you can see just the corners are a little bit different. So I'm going to make sure it's enabled. And for the sticker, what they do is print it just like this. But I like to make sure my stickers have shape. And you're not just getting a plain sticker. So I create a shape inside of Canva. So then that's like a circle or a smaller square, but they're like die cut stickers. So who wants a big blob square? That's boring. So now with this, you get an actual sticker. So the sticker, this phone case looks amazing. I want to see how much of the image is here. It looks like it's all of the image. Yeah. So I'm going to leave that as is. It looks amazing. It's beautiful. This looks great. This looks great. Everything looks so beautiful here. The laptop case. Let's see, the shower curtain. I really wish my image was bigger. Um, so that it be bigger. I need to figure out what service that I can get to make my pictures like 9,000 by 9,000, and they'll just be amazing on everything. Here's the mugs, here's the cup. Y'all, look at these leggings. Look how cute they are. Look at what these leggings will look like. That's just beautiful. The print is amazing. Here's a scarf. And again, with the scarf, we can do a vertical, and we can move it like this. You just got to find a little perfect place. Now you look at it like that. Tablet case, the notebook. Look at that hardcover journal. Huh. It looks like you're floating on that cloud, doesn't it? So let me enable the tapestry and the throw blanket. Oh, I know that blanket would be so beautiful. I know it'd just be amazing just to look at. So there's that. I'm going to do the bath mat because we want to enable everything on Redbubble to get to make sure people buy everything. So I do, like I said, I do need to find out what service I can use to get my prints, bigger. So that is my goal. Let's see if this needs to be, I don't think this needs to be larger. I think this pretty much looks good the way it is. It just stops right there. Then you got a wood canvas. You got the tote bag. You got the socks. Let's see. We can change this pattern. There we go. Now we have everything on the socks. Let's make sure the socks is enabled. Look at that pin button. Oh, the mask looks good. The backpack looks good. Let's fix it. The apron looks good. So it's also a jigsaw puzzle now. These are new things that have, come out. Every time I come back, I feel like, they've added something different, which is freaking amazing. Go Redbubble. They have so many products. It's crazy. So change that. Now you got a full color. I'm trying to see where I don't. Just trying to see what looks good for this without that sharp line. I think I'm gonna leave it like that, you know? It is what it is. Let's see if we can fan out this. See, like I gotta get my prints bigger. And if you guys know any, you know, services that can help me do that, I'd be happy to get a bigger size. And I might try, you know, Pick Monkey or something. But these are like just beautiful, my beautiful prints on this. And if I do find the right size, I'll come back and upload them. So everything looks amazing. So I'm going to put it under photography. And I don't have a collection yet. And it does not include any like nudity or anything like that. And I have the right to sell this product because it is my original artwork, okay? So I have uploaded that. And eventually I'll buy one of these. I don't know which one. And the only reason I can't, you know, get the bigger size in Canva is because Canva only goes to like 5,000 by 5,000. So I do need to find a site where I can, you know, upload it someplace else. But for right now, that's what I'm going to do. I am going to try Pick Monkey and see because I think the ideal size would be like a 9,000 by 9,000 that would fit on everything, okay? So I think it's going to take me back to my dashboard. You guys are going to be able to see all of the products I just created. If it takes that long. Okay, so here we have clouds on a plane. And then it's just, you know, all of the products right here. Give that some time to refresh. Okay, so this is how it looks on all these different products. All right, so like even though you only see a few of those shirts, they have all of these products that your picture will go on, that people will see. There's a dress, came out nice. Here's the leggings, that looks amazing. Glossy sticker, the regular sticker. There's shirts. There is the laptop skin and sleeves, a transparent sticker, iPad skin, iPhone cases, and the case wallets. You have artboard prints and just regular art prints, canvases, framed art, metal prints, tapestry, postcards, poster, acrylic block, wood mount. You have the clock. You have the mouse pad, well, coasters. There's a duvet cover in the actual comforter, the floor pillows, the shower curtain, throw blanket, the throw pillow, backpacks, tote bags, mug, and everything we did. Here's the other mug, the socks. There's a zipper pouch, a greeting card, a hardcover journal, and a spiral notebook. So those are all the things that I just, you know, basically added my original photo onto all of these products. So that's my first product, and I just wanted to show you guys how you too can actually, you know, have something that you like to take pictures of, and well, it could be dirt, it could be bugs. It's very beautiful. Nature is beautiful. So go outside, take some pictures, edit them, and add them on Redbubble. Never know what might happen. So I hope you guys enjoyed your July video, and until next time, I love you more than you love this video.